Welcome to Global Race Explorer, your home for uncovering the most stunning and inspiring running events from around the world. Today, we're headed to a continent filled with vibrant landscapes and natural wonders as we count down the top 5 scenic 5K races in South America. From coastal boardwalks to lush rainforest trails, these short-distance races prove that beauty and adrenaline go hand in hand. No marathon required. Let's dive into the list. Kicking things off is the Corrida dos Pontes, or Race of the Bridges, in Recife, Brazil. This 5K course winds through the historic heart of the city, crossing several of Recife's iconic bridges over scenic canals. Along the route, runners pass colorful colonial buildings, riverbanks lined with palm trees, and crowds dancing to samba rhythms. It's a cultural tour wrapped in a tropical breeze. Coming in at number 4, the Carrera Verde, or Green Race, in Bogotá. Set in the Colombian capital's urban parks, this eco-focused 5K highlights the harmony between city and nature. The course winds through tree-lined trails in Simón Bolívar Park, with mountain views in the distance. Even better, the race plants trees for every participant, so your run helps reforest the Amazon. Scenic and sustainable, what's not to love? Next up, we head to Argentina for the Milla Urbana Festival in Buenos Aires. While it's known for mile races, the 5K option has grown into a highlight for city runners. The route threads through Palermo, one of the city's greenest and most stylish neighborhoods, with views of rose gardens, art museums, and grand architecture. Palm-shaded boulevards and cafe-lined streets make this race feel more like a scenic stroll, just at race pace. Number 2 takes us deep into Patagonia for the Patagonia Run 5K. Held in the picturesque town of San Martín de los Andes, this short-distance trail race features epic views of the Andes Mountains and the shimmering Lago Lácar. You'll dash through pine forests, across wooden bridges, and finish with a breathtaking mountain backdrop. For a 5K that feels like a cinematic adventure, this is the one. And topping our list at number 1, the Viña del Mar 5K, part of the Viña del Mar Marathon event series in Chile. Nicknamed the Garden City, Viña's coastal charm shines bright in this flat, oceanside course. You'll run parallel to the Pacific, with views of sandy beaches, blue waves, and palm-lined promenades. Add in a sunrise start and ocean mist in the air, and you've got a 5K that hits every sense. Whether you're new to running or just looking for a short race in an unforgettable setting, these South American 5Ks offer world-class views with every stride. So, which one will you lace up for first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a step on Global Race Explorer. See you on the next adventure, one beautiful race at a time.